Hello everyone. For those of you who are new to the channel, welcome. For those who have been with me before, welcome back. It's great to have you all here with me to discuss this important topic. Before I begin, please hit the like button, and consider sharing this video with your subscribers and friends. That would be a great help to this channel. Thank you. Our topic today is one that is very relevant for the economic environment of today. How to leverage inflation to accumulate wealth. The steps that you need to take right now. Inflation, often viewed as the silent eroder of purchasing power, has the potential to be a powerful ally on our journey to financial prosperity. It's my pleasure to guide you through the intricacies of this economic phenomenon and to reveal the untapped opportunities that lie within. 1. Inflation, the unseen force. To embark on this journey, we must first understand the nature of our companion, inflation. In its simplest form, inflation is the rise in the general level of prices for goods and services over time. While it might be perceived as a villain stealing our hard-earned money, we shall soon discover that, with the right mindset and strategies, it can be transformed into a powerful force working in our favor. 2. Turning a foe into a friend. In this section, we will delve into the unconventional idea that inflation can be a friend, not a foe. By exploring historical examples and case studies, we'll witness how savvy investors and individuals have harnessed the power of inflation to accumulate wealth. Understanding this paradigm shift is crucial for embracing the opportunities that lie ahead. As we embark on our journey through the often misunderstood realms of finance, it's time to challenge conventional wisdom and explore the intriguing notion that inflation can be more than just an economic adversary. It can be a powerful ally in the quest for wealth accumulation. In this video, we'll take a look at historical examples and case studies that show us the paths taken by savvy investors and individuals who have successfully harnessed the potential of inflation to build substantial wealth. The prevailing narrative often paints inflation as an insidious force eroding the value of currency and diminishing the purchasing power of individuals. However, as we peel back the layers of financial history, a different story begins to emerge, one of strategic thinking, adaptability, and the ability to turn challenges into opportunities. Throughout history, there have been instances where individuals and investors navigated the currents of inflation with finesse, capitalizing on the shifting economic landscape. Consider real estate, for instance, where property values often rise with inflation. Astute investors have leveraged this trend, strategically acquiring properties as a hedge against the eroding effects of currency value. In doing so, they not only preserved their wealth but also saw it appreciate over time. Stock markets, too, have proven to be fertile grounds for those who understand the dynamics of inflation. Companies that possess the ability to adjust prices in response to rising costs can thrive in inflationary environments. By identifying such resilient enterprises, investors have not only safeguarded their portfolios but also enjoyed substantial returns as these companies outpaced inflation. The key to embracing inflation lies in understanding it not as an enemy to be feared, but as a force that, when navigated skillfully, can propel wealth accumulation. By adopting a paradigm shift in our approach to inflation, we position ourselves to seize the opportunities that lie ahead. The world of finance is dynamic and ever-evolving. Embracing unconventional ideas, such as viewing inflation as a friend rather than a foe, opens doors to new possibilities and allows us to chart a course toward financial prosperity. 3. The strategic power of real assets in the face of inflation. As we navigate the complexities of leveraging inflation, we encounter the concept of real assets. These tangible investments, such as real estate, precious metals, and commodities, have historically acted as shields against the erosive effects of inflation. Learn the art of strategically allocating your resources to build a fortress that not only withstands inflationary pressures but thrives in such an environment. One of the cornerstones of leveraging real assets is real estate, an investment class renowned for its ability to weather the storms of inflation. Unlike traditional financial instruments, real estate tends to appreciate in value over time, often outpacing the rate of inflation. Savvy investors recognize the potential of acquiring properties strategically, not just as a place to live, but as a means to preserve and grow wealth. As inflation drives up the cost of goods and services, real estate values tend to rise, making it a reliable hedge against the diminishing purchasing power of currency. Precious metals, such as gold and silver, have also long been heralded as inflation-resistant assets. These timeless stores of value have a history of retaining their purchasing power, making them attractive in times of economic uncertainty. Investors flock to precious metals as a safe haven, recognizing their ability to maintain intrinsic value when fiat currencies fluctuate. The strategic inclusion of precious metals in a diversified portfolio can act as a stabilizing force, providing a safeguard against the erosive impact of inflation on traditional assets. Commodities, ranging from agricultural products to energy resources, offer another avenue for investors to bolster their defenses against inflation. As prices for goods and services rise, the value of commodities often follows suit. Investing in these tangible goods allows individuals to participate in the fundamental economic activities that drive growth, providing a direct link to the real-world forces that counteract inflationary pressures. Strategic allocation is the linchpin of constructing a wealth fortress with real assets. Diversifying across various classes of tangible investments ensures a well-rounded defense against the multifaceted challenges posed by inflation. The art lies in balancing the portfolio to harness the unique strengths of each asset class, creating a synergy that not only shields against inflation but actively leverages its dynamics for wealth accumulation. 4. Unveiling financial instruments for wealth resilience. Beyond tangible assets, the financial landscape offers a plethora of instruments designed to capitalize on inflation. From Treasury inflation-protected securities, TIPS, to inflation-indexed annuities, discover the tools that can safeguard and grow your wealth amidst rising prices. We'll demystify the jargon and guide you through the decision-making process to ensure your financial portfolio remains robust in the face of inflationary challenges. In the dynamic realm of finance, where inflation poses both challenges and opportunities, investors have at their disposal a diverse array of financial instruments specifically crafted to harness the power of rising prices. Beyond traditional tangible assets, these instruments provide a nuanced approach to safeguarding and growing wealth in the face of inflationary pressures. One notable tool in the arsenal against inflation is Treasury inflation-protected securities, TIPS. These government-backed bonds offer investors a unique proposition by adjusting their principal value based on changes in the Consumer Price Index, CPI. In essence, TIPS act as a shield against the erosive effects of inflation, ensuring that the purchasing power of the invested capital remains intact. As inflation rises, so does the value of TIPS, making them an invaluable component for investors seeking to preserve their wealth in a dynamic economic landscape. Inflation-indexed annuities present another avenue for investors to navigate the complexities of rising prices. These financial products provide a steady stream of income that is indexed to inflation, offering a reliable means of ensuring that the purchasing power of your funds does not erode over time. By providing a hedge against inflation, these annuities contribute to the overall resilience of your financial portfolio, allowing for sustained growth in real terms. As we delve into the world of financial instruments designed to capitalize on inflation, it's essential to highlight the importance of diversification. Combining different tools in your investment strategy ensures a robust defense against the multifaceted challenges posed by inflation. The key lies not just in understanding the individual instruments but in orchestrating them harmoniously within your portfolio to maximize their collective impact. Navigating the inflation maze requires a keen understanding of the specific attributes of each financial instrument. The decision-making process involves aligning these instruments with your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. By demystifying the jargon and providing clarity on the mechanics of these tools, the investor is empowered to make informed choices that resonate with their financial objectives. Ladies and gentlemen, as we conclude our journey through the uncharted territory of leveraging inflation, I invite you to not be afraid of the turbulent economic times that lie ahead. Instead, realize that there are unprecedented opportunities that are available in no other economic environment. Contact your financial professional for advice on how to build your personal strategy to leverage these and other financial tools to not only survive but to thrive in the days ahead. May your financial journey be marked by resilience, wisdom, and the relentless pursuit of wealth in the face of inflation. Remember that many wealthy individuals accumulated the bulk of their wealth during challenging economic times. I hope that this information was helpful. Stay safe, and I will see you on the next one.